Rickstar Club
people.
300
This is
6 star
so
test
nice.
parisdears at
I
gmail.com
find
3 for
very
62450660
look,
1 3 for
this
7 to
is
2170 for 27 3 for 9517 for 5 for 1 for thank you so much Po.
this stone. You look, there is a lot of different colors inside. And this too. I think there is a red inside. Red jades inside. You look. And this one, I saw that there is gray inside. How beautiful, really. All this stone. And even this one, there is a dark green inside. See? And this is so unique. You see? How much the skin is unusual stone or jades. See, so nice. So beautiful. And these two, I don't know what it is, but I saw it's so beautiful. Blue green. And this one too, like a stripe again. You see that there is green, blue, gray, brown. This one is brown, yellow, crystal. So nice. This one, I don't know what is inside, but it's so nice. I think it's gray inside. And this one, so nice too. And this one, you look, it's like space. It's like Jupiter. So cute, so nice. And this too, you look, there is a pocket there. How beautiful. You see? And this is too, you look, how beautiful it is. So nice. All these are nice. And let me see, let's test. You see? This is, I learned it to Serdan. So how nice. So see you guys again next time.